Now with the idea of checking for a solution, right? We're asked to solve for y. Now what do? Remember, we have 60 negative y, 60 negative y, but we need to get y equals something, right? So if you check this, the first thing we can remove is this guy can also be written as negative y plus 60. So the sign on the left hand side is the sign of a number or variable. So you don't add 60 to both sides here. That won't work because the sign of 60 here is positive. So the first thing to do is you subtract 60 from both sides. Now if you do that, the right hand side, 60 minus 60 is 0, so you have negative y. And on the other side, you have 240 minus 60 is 180. But now you have negative y, but you need y. So negative y means what? It means negative 1 times y. Negative y means negative 1 times y. So that shows to make y stand alone, you have to divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1. So you have y equals 180 divided by 1 is 180, right? Remember I said in one of the videos, positive divided by negative is negative. So you have y to be negative 180. So this is how to solve this problem. Now for the second one, you have positive 6 and you have y divided by 3. The first thing to do is you subtract 6. You remove the one with positive or negative before removing the one with multiplication or division. So what do? Because this is positive, you subtract 6 from both sides. So negative 6, negative 6. Now positive 6, negative 6 is 0. So you have y over 3 on one side. Negative 6 is negative 12. Now what do you do to get y? You multiply 3 to both sides. Multiply by 3. So 3 cancels 3, you have y. 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. So y is negative 36. Based on the knowledge we know so far, you know that this is what you need to do. All right, we go to the next concept. And what do I say you should remember to do? Plug these things into the what? The things you are given, the question you are given, and make sure that it is actually correct. 60 minus 180 will give you 240. If you also plug in negative 36 here, you will see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. All right, I'll see you in the next video for the next concept.